Champion 3500 watt inverter generator, 2021 model. I think each year they add something or put something new on. So, and they go up, seem to go up 100 each year, 100 watts each year. So at the moment it's 3500 watt. And on previous model they didn't have that voltage, hour and power output sort of thing. So this is remote, so it's 7100P version. It's a remote control. I haven't started it for an age, so give it a hit. It's got the economy mode. Yeah, it's not too bad. 2021. I've had it for a few months now, but it hasn't let me down, so probably find more videos more accurate than how long they last and all that, but yeah, it's alright. They just seem to go up 100 each time, the old wattage. So, yeah, I like it. Let's switch it off the remote. Thank you.